Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got SheModern Old Meets New Instagram collaboration. This month's theme was snowflakes. So we're going to see what we can do today. Alright, I've already got Illamasqua out. I've already got my base coat on. And this is Illamasqua Raindrops. It's a beautiful gray with some little shimmers and flakies in it. I've got on my little nail tips that I've already applied. When did I do those? Anyway, it's another video where I applied the tips. But this time, I'm just going in with this one coat of raindrops real quick. I'll do more. Trust me. You guys know me. Two-coat girl. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Alright, now for a second coat of raindrops. I don't own very many Illamasquas, but I'm really happy that I've got this one. Because it's just like a beautiful dove gray, and it's got those shimmers in it. I am going to top this with I&M out the door and get it to dry down, because we got some playing to do, don't you know? Alright, got to get Woody back out here. Okay, I think we're good. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And now I'm going to apply the Anchor and Heart Fairy Sea Glass Slipper. It's a matte top coat. It's worked out pretty good for me, but I'm going to apply that to all of the nails. Because what I'm doing today, I need the matte background. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Alright, Maniology M418, I do believe. Snowflake plate. Came out of the box of joy this year. Got to get this blue film off of it. Now I'm going to fess up. This was not my favorite manicure. Not mad at it, but it wasn't my favorite. I'll be using SheModern Sticky White Stamping Polish, the Resistance Force Stamper, and Neon Lemon Fluorescent Powder, Neon Marine, and Neon Magenta. And I've got one of those little makeup applicators out. Cleaning my little card off. Oh, and I'm using my SheModern scraper card too. Yeah, we're going SheModern today. Because it is the SheModern collab. So I'm already going to mess up right off the bat. I mean, like, just straight up off the bat. This first one is going to be okay, I think. But I messed it up. You guys know. If you know, you know. And out of frame again. That's the name of my game. Get out of frame. Alright, so, yep, there it is, right off the bat. It was supposed to go on my pointer nail. Oh well, we're just going to roll with it, because it's okay. It's just not what I'd planned on doing. And we're going to get the mirror image over here. I was going to do that on my pointer and ring fingernail, and kind of have them kind of sandwich another image on the middle nail. But no, we had to go mess it all up. It's okay though. If I was really mad, I would have just took it off and started over, but I wasn't that mad. Alright, so we're using the sticky stamping polish, so I'll be able to do all my stamps and then go in with my powders here in just a moment. And I kind of wanted to do something just a little different for snowflakes. Instead of blue and white or silver or whatever, I just kind of wanted to, you know, jump outside the box and do something a little cray. And I think this counts. You know, that, and I had these new SheModern powders. Well, I don't know that they're new, but they're new to my collection. These fluorescent powders, and I really wanted to use them, like now, not wait till summer or anything. I want to use them now. So there we go, guys. And I'm just pulling images all over the plate, like, you know, just because it's all snowflakes. Everything's like snowflakes, wreaths, banners, all kinds of things. Snowflake ornaments. It's just got it all on this plate. Pretty excited about it. I'll be using this plate again. Because, you know, winter's coming. And I'll be able to use it for winter plates. Getting some of that excess up with a piece of tape. Trying to be very careful. Not to, you know, take away something I want to keep. Alright. Gotta get that stampy plate out of my way. Alright. Ta-da! right. And I think we just need one more for the thumb. The thumbarumbus. Oh, gotta go on the side, do a side scrape on that one. Pick that image up, do a little bit of cleanup real quick. That one would have looked good on the pinky nail. It would have. But I should have links, or at a bare minimum, I should have a hashtag down below if you'd like to go and check out the other Snowflake manicures over on Instagram. I'm going to take a little time real quick and clean this plate off before I do my, next step. Because, y'all, really, this sticky stamping polish really does stay sticky for a while. I'm even going to do some cleanup on my skin so I don't have to worry about getting that powder up. If it sticks to that polish that's on my skin, that might be a booger to clean up. So I'm going to take the time to do it because I can. Because we got the sticky stamping polish in action today. Yep. And I'm just cleaning that up with some acetone. Being very persnickety about it. Alright, so here we go. And I'm going to use, a different side of the sponge for each of these colors. And I'm just going to kind of tap it on the top. Tap, tap, tap. Actually, it's kind of close to the middle of the nail where I'm tapping right now. But it's all good. And I'm not going too crazy and pushing too hard because that polish is still wet. And I don't want to mess it up. And now we're going to go in with that beautiful blue. So pretty. I love these powders. They're really pretty. Now, I can tell you, this is different than most times. Most times I'm saying, well, in real life it looked really good, but I couldn't get a good picture of it. Well, this time I get a decent picture, but in real life it was a little janky looking. It just looked like paint blobs on my nails. But thankfully, the swatch photo turned out okay. So we're okay here. We're all good. I'm still wearing it. I did this, I did the manicure on Saturday or Sunday, and then I'm doing the voiceover on a Thursday. So, I've been wearing it for a few days. Getting some pink in there. Tappity tap tap. Love, love, love. All right. Get that last one tapped in. Look at that mess. Woo-wee. Alright, so I'm going to get my little fluffy brush, and I'm going to brush some of this off. This is the soft, fluffy brush. And it's not really getting all of it off that I want. So I'm getting out my heavy-duty brush, my scrubber brush, but I'm being very careful when I'm brushing over. I'm not putting hardly any pressure over that, because I don't want to, like, scrape through the paint and the pigments. But you can see it's still kind of blobby looking. It's going to be okay, though, because like I told you, I was able to get a swatch photo, and you could tell they were snowflakes. So, girls, happy about that. Alright, so we got that part cleaned up. And I'm going to go ahead and do some more cleanup with my acetone around the nails, because I think the longer this pigment powder sits on this sticky stamping polish, the better off I'm going to be when it comes to top coating. Doing all the things. I'll be using the clear sealer. It's a water-based clear sealer from SheModern. And I'm just going to brush over the images. It doesn't look too bad. And then once that's dry, I'm going in with my Posh Top Coat. And to seal all this design in. Don't wear it for a few days. And enjoy it. I did enjoy it. Very much. Alright, gotta get Woody out. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There we go. Awesome. Well, alrighty, there are my neon looking snowflakes. I do hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.